Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. We can see that on the GALA chart, we start to see a bit of a rejection and retracement now here. So we're taking a look at what that might mean and how far is the price actually allowed to come back now to maintain the potential that a third wave rally could have started. I'm skeptical at this stage because it's far too early to confirm that a low is in place. But if we now see the development of a higher low and then a break above yesterday's high, we can possibly argue that the third wave rally has started. At the moment, we're still tracking an overall bullish scenario as long as the 2.03 cent level is holding. Below that level, probabilities start to shift. With Elliott wave, we know at which Fibonacci levels, when broken, sentiment shifts. So if the 78.6 Fib level breaks, it typically indicates that this bullish scenario is not going to work out. Now, I have to take this into consideration that we only mean a sustained break. So if it comes down to whatever 2.02 cents, I would not consider that a sustained break of support if it can recover quickly. Please consider that. However, official invalidation point for the yellow bullish wave count, which could take us to 4 cents in the next instance, would be here, the June low. A break above that level needs to be avoided to give the yellow wave count a chance. As I explained, I'd like it to hold the 78.6 Fib level anyway. You can see that the price still has a chance to come down a little bit lower if it has to, but ideally we are already starting the third wave rally. Now I'm very skeptical at this stage. You can see how relevant these support levels are, and you can see that the bulls are certainly trying after reacting to the golden ratio here, after the price has hit the 61.8 retracement level, but it's too early to confirm that we're already moving higher. We have an A wave down complete, we had a B wave up complete, an overshooting B wave into resistance, and we have come back into support here. Now, the idea is that the C wave is pretty full, means it doesn't need to come down any lower. On this structure or this chart, we had a wave 1 down in wave C. By the way, the C wave is a 5-wave move, so we were looking for a 5-wave decline. That pattern is pretty full, so we had a wave 1, a wave 2 pullback, a wave 3, which is typically the longest wave, the wave 4 is a flat structure, which is pretty common, and the wave 5, which again is a 5-wave move. So it's looking pretty good, but now it just needs to rally in 5 waves. You could argue we have small 5 waves here, and now we have the first pullback that could give us a decision. So what we want to see is in wave 3, a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this wave 2, which is now retracing, if it is a wave 2, it must, it's an absolute must, it must hold the Saturday low. Here on the Binance chart, that is at 2.18 cents. It needs to avoid a break below that level, or we get invalidation and the attempt for a rally is over. Now, there are always 3 levels of confirmation that we need to pay attention to when we talk about a breakout and trend change as per Elliott wave. We need to have a 5-wave move into the trend direction. You could argue we've got that. We need a 3-wave pullback into support, and price needs to hold the previous swing low. Ideally, price is holding the 78.6 Fib level. In this case, we talk about 2.273 cents. So whatever the price is doing, it should not break below that level. And if we see a reaction here, a third wave rally could start. Third level of confirmation is a break above the wave 1 high, in this case 2.61 cents. They are the 3 levels of confirmation. And looking at the bigger picture, we then will need to break above the larger degree wave 1 high at 2.84 cents to confirm, and it could take us to 4 cents. So overall, the setup is valid as long as we're holding 2.03 cents. At the moment, it's looking good, but it's far too early to confirm that the price has indeed formed the lasting low. So far, it's going according to script. One more low, if we get one more low, should not break below 2.03 cents, or we are looking at a more bearish case. Okay, that's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.